What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find Google Chrome downloads on an iPhone. While using the Chrome browser on your iOS device, proceed to download the photos, videos or other files you wish to use. You might see a download progress bar and a save option at the bottom right of your screen. Tap Save and you'll be asked where to save this specific file if you have more than one destination. In my case, that will be the Files app and my Google Drive, as I have the Drive app installed as well. Let's select Files and then Save. The Save option might change to Open In. This will open the Share sheet, where you can share the file with one of your contacts, to open the file in your Downloads folder and more, depending on which apps you have installed on your device. When selecting Open in Downloads, your Files app opens up, where you can preview all the files downloaded using the Google Chrome browser. This includes zip, PDF, MP3 and all other files you've downloaded. If the Open In option is not available to you, then simply close the Chrome browser app and open the Files app. From here, you should see a folder named Chrome. Tap to open it and find all of your saved files here. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.